Come to question number 5. From each corner of a square of side 4 cm, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 cm is cut. A square of side is 4 cm, a quadrant of, these are 4 quadrant, each corner a 4 quadrant, the radius of 1 cm is cut off. Okay. And also a circle of diameter 2 cm is cut as shown in the figure. The center of one circle is cut off, the diameter is 2 cm, radius become 1 centimeter, half of the diameter 1 centimeter. Okay, find the area of the remaining portion of the square. What is the area of the remaining portion? This is the remaining portion, this part, how much area? Okay, see now, side of the square is given, but you want the, okay, side of the square, how much? Side of the square. It is equal to 4 centimeter, very clear is given. Okay, area, radius of each quadrant circle. Radius of each quadrant circles. That is the radius equal to, it is given very clearly 1 centimeter. Okay, radius of the center circle. Radius of the center or the middle center circle. So radius, actually diameter by 2, because its diameter is given and 2 centimeter and divided by 2, it is equal to 1 centimeter. Both are equal radius, so I am putting R. Here also 1 centimeter, here also 1 centimeter only. So we are using a common letter, or otherwise it means a different letter. Okay. Now, therefore, what do you want? The area, as per the question, area of the remaining, area of the, okay, what is it called? Area of the remaining portion of the square. Remaining portion of the square. Area of the remaining portion of the square equal to, what to do? Area of square minus area of the square. From the area of the square, the 4 quadrant will be removed and the center circle will be removed. We will get the remaining portion, right? So area of the square minus area of 4 quadrant, area of 4 quadrant circles minus and area of the center circle. From the square bra 4 quadrant kattivalage and center will be removed, right? So area of the center circle. Center circle. Okay. Now listen carefully. Area of the square is become side square. Formula we know, side square minus area of 4 quadrant, 4 times of area of quadrant, area of circle is equal to pi r square, area of semicircle is half pi r square, area of quadrant circle is 1 by 4 pi r square, 1 by 4 pi r square. Then minus area of center circle, this circle, center circle, this circle, it is simply pi r square. Okay, here 4 cancel it. It is come here side square. See now, it is also pi r square, it is also pi r square, minus pi r square, minus pi r square, minus 2 times of pi r square. Why? Here is 1 pi r square, here also pi r square is there, minus 2 times of pi r square. Pi r square minus pi r square, 2 times, right? Okay. Now the side we know, side is equal to 4 centimeter, the whole square minus 2 into pi value is 22 by 7. I think it's not given. Radius become 1 into 1 because radius r is equal to 1. Both are same radius, 1 into 1 centimeter square. 4 square we know, 4 fours are 16 centimeter square. So 22 are 44 into 1, 44 by 7 centimeter square. Let's take LCM. LCM is 7. 7 into 16 you have to multiply here. No number means 1. 1 goes 7 times. 7 into 16. 16 7s are 6 7s are 42. 4 in hand and 7 plus 4 11. It is 112 centimeter square minus 7 go 1 time. 1 into 44 44 centimeter square. You minus here. 12 minus 4 is become 8 and 10 minus 4 is become 6 by 7 centimeter square. 68 by 7 centimeter square is our answer. Okay, I hope you understand. Okay, let's go to question number 6.